We used to go through the bag of rags, looking, pulling them all out. That takes a lot of time. We're heavily involved in motorsport and engine rebuilds, from a ground-up shell to a race car, really. Generally, it involves quite a lot of deassembling parts, cleaning them up. Using rags, we'd get them cheap through suppliers, sometimes even free when we order a certain amount of parts. I guess there was no sort of thought into using anything else, really. Obviously, quality control is quite important. With oil and grime, if that gets into the engine system, could cause big problems. It's not designed to be in there, it's supposed to be a clean environment. Oil absorption, you'd put a rag over the oil you want to clean, and just multiple wipes later, you're finally clean, and that just takes time out of the job you're supposed to do. A loose fibre in a rag, or the old t-shirt, as some of them are printed t-shirts, maybe some of that falling off into your workspace, into your engine. That's generally one of the biggest problems. Having a conformed sheet size is so good. You know what you're going to get. We don't make money for storing wipes, so having a wipe that's really storage friendly, quite neat and tidy is really key. Initial purchase cost is a little bit higher, not as high as I thought it was actually going to be. Looking at the size of the rolls, you get 400 sheets and it lasts you about 10 times longer than a bag of rags, so you do the maths. We throw away much less and it costs us much less to dispose of. The wipes we got are really, really tough and strong, especially when dipped in oil. They don't sort of deteriorate and just go to a mush. So yeah, I'm saving time, saving money, and I think it's definitely made my life easier.